Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BBIG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down there at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So more of the story, a lot of eyeballs going to be watching this one moving forward. But in all actuality, in trading jargon, the way I would summarize this is this was just a good old gap and trap. Now, what do I mean by gap and trap? If you're maybe new, well, on Wednesday, the price closed all the way down there. This morning, the price opened up there, hence what is known as a gap up. And in this situation, a huge gap up. But here's where things got nice, but also cruel. It got nice for people because, yeah, it did make a good opening 30 minutes. Nobody can deny that. But this is where things got absolutely savage because you look right here and to know that a bunch of poor souls were buying and buying and buying and buying and buying. And you can see the price just kept on dropping and dropping and dropping. So a very savage move there on the gap and trap. And now it's really just a question of, how bad is this actually going to get? And to me, I would consider $4 very important because and I'm not saying this was going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to 4 and then just continue on down through, now all of a sudden you basically have the price right back in the bottom half of this gap up area, which, it just puts it into no man's land. And that's just not a good, place for a price to be, especially when the price, was not that long ago up in the $8 range. Not that it had to close in the $8 range, but I mean, from $8 down to 4, that's a 50% drop in price. And then that's beyond 4. It even gets even worse than that, and that would be a very sticky situation. Now, like I said, not saying that's what's going to happen, but that's why in my mind, $4 becomes a very important area of support. If the price does try to recover back upwards, first key level of resistance and any sort of recovery going to be right up there at the $6 mark. And then after $6, next key level after that, right up there around the $6.85 mark. But as of now, things are looking very shaky, but we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.